how to log into the Chase Bank app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into the Chase banking application on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to basically log into the Chase Bank app on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Chase banking application here. And once you launch the Chase Bank app, you should be able to see this type of interface here. And once you've done that, if you already don't have a Chase Bank account or online banking account, you can tap the sign up option, or you can directly tap the sign in button that you can find here. And then all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the username of your your Chase Bank account, and the password that you use to sign up for your online banking. If you're not sure what password you have typed in, you can tap the show option here, and then you can tap the sign in option to verify and log in. If you don't remember either your username or password, you can tap on this option here and make sure to go ahead and then reset it successfully. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into the Chase Bank app on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.